Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the best beauty and makeup product of 2017. I'm going to show you everything I was liking in 2017. I was using mostly in 2017, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to start with foundations, and the first foundation I'm going to mention today is this MAC Fix Fluid Foundation, which is a very full coverage matte foundation. I like this foundation. I was using this foundation a lot in 2017, and this is one of my favorite foundations. Yes, this is high-end, this is a little bit pricey, it's like $30, but this is amazing. Also, it has SPF 15, which is just perfect for every day. The next foundation is from the drugstore. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, which is amazing. This is giving you such an amazing, beautiful finish, glowy, natural, not very oily or greasy, just soft, beautiful glow, which is amazing if you like natural makeup for every day. And this is only like $12, and I really like this product, and I highly recommend this product. Because I like this product. Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, the next product is again from the drugstore. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 120. I used this foundation a lot in 2017, almost in every video, and I'm really obsessed with this foundation. I really like how beautiful and flawless is looking the skin when you're using this foundation. It's only like $7. I mean, it depends where you're buying. At Ulta it's $7, and at Target you can find for $5. I really like this foundation. I wish it was with pump, but yeah, this is an amazing foundation, and there is so many shades to pick from, and yeah, I really like this foundation, and I highly recommend this foundation, guys. Okay, my most favorite foundation from the drugstore is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Every time when I'm using this foundation, I look photoshopped. This foundation is amazing, and every time when I'm using this foundation, my face looks flawless, my skin looks flawless. It's very like lightweight, but it's giving you such a good coverage. It lasts for a very long time, and if you're someone who is looking for affordable drugstore foundation which can give you full coverage and last for all day long, and this is not like very drying matte, but this is a demi matte finish. This is giving you such an amazing, beautiful coverage. I'm obsessed with this foundation. This is amazing. And I highly recommend this foundation, guys. I love it. Also, guys, I wanted to mention this foundation from e.l.f. This is only $6, and I was using this foundation a lot. Not only because it's affordable, also because it looks very beautiful on the skin. It's very light coverage, but it is giving you such a beautiful, dewy, natural finish, which looks amazing, and it's very affordable. It's very affordable, guys. So yeah, check it out. I like it. Also, I was using this Physicians Formula Organic Wear BB Cream in the shade Light a lot, because I really like everything about this BB cream. The ingredients are all natural, and the finish is very beautiful. There is only two shades, Light and medium. So mine is in the shade Light, and I really like this BB cream, and I highly recommend this product, guys. And yeah, I like it. Okay, guys, now for the primers. This is my favorite primer for like not only 2017. I think it will be my favorite this year too, because I really like this product. This Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which is amazing. It makes your skin to look flawless. You know what I mean? It makes all the imperfection to disappear, and your skin looks flawless, amazing. And after applying your foundation, you can see the difference, guys. And I really like this product, and I highly recommend this primer. Also, I like the LA Girl Pro Smoothing face primer, which is very affordable, and it's like the same thing like Smashbox, but you know what? Smashbox is a little bit better. but this is only $5. So yeah, if you can't afford the Smashbox photo finish primer, you can try this one. Also, I used this primer a lot. As you can see, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is amazing, and this is one of the best primers. I highly recommend this primer, and yeah, I like it. Okay guys, my favorite setting powder is this Mercier translucent powder. Every time when I'm using this product, my face looks flawless. I'm using this mostly to set my concealer. No matter how much you apply of this, you never look cakey, and it makes you look amazing. I really like it, and I highly recommend this setting powder, guys, because I like it. Also, I like this Dermablend translucent powder. It's very light coverage, but it's giving you very beautiful soft finish without being cakey, without being drying, and I really wanted to mention this product too. So yeah. Okay guys, the next favorite powder is this Airspun coty powder in the shade translucent extra coverage setting powder, which is amazing. It's from the drugstore again, guys. You can buy it for like $5, and you're getting a lot of product. It looks amazing, it makes your under eyes flawless, and I just really like this product. For making pictures or making videos or just taking pictures or selfies for Instagram, this product is amazing because it really gives you a lot of coverage and your under eyes are looking always flawless. And you can use it for your face too, and yeah, I really like. I mostly use this product to set my under eyes, and I really like this product, guys. I like it. To set my face, I'm always using this powder from e.l.f. It's like only $6, and this is one of the best powders I've used ever because it's not drying, it's not making my skin dry, but it sets the foundation beautifully and it's giving you some coverage, but your skin looks flawless, your skin looks amazing, your skin looks like a skin, not drying, not extremely matte. It's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful powder, and I highly recommend this, guys. Okay, to contour my face, I was using mostly this Anastasia contour kit in the shade Light. I was using this shade to set my under eyes, and these two shades to contour my nose and sometimes my face. But mostly I was using this shade from the e.l.f. Total Face Palette. I like this palette, guys, and I'm using the blush and this contour shade always to contour my face, to contour my nose, and the blush is amazing. I'm like obsessed with peachy blushes because they look amazing on me. Yeah, I'm always in every single video using this blush and this contour shade to contour my nose and my face. I like it. Also, I like my Hoola bronzer, and I was using a lot this bronzer to contour my face, or just to contour my nose, or just to bronze my face. I like it. Okay guys, my favorite eyebrow product is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. This is one of the most amazing eyebrow products I've used ever. This is the best eyebrow product I've used ever. It looks amazing in the pictures. It's very easy to apply the product. It's very easy to work with this product, and I highly recommend this product, guys. Also, I like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. This is a very good product for everyday if you want something natural, if you want something light. I really like this product. If you can't afford the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, you can buy this one. This is absolutely amazing. This is only $1 and it looks amazing. Like, it looks absolutely the same. This is even more pigmented than the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is only $1. This is from the brand LA Colors. This is from LA Colors, and this is only $1, so you can check it out, guys. This is amazing. I like it. Okay guys, I used this translucent eyebrow gel a lot in 2017 from e.l.f. It's only $2 and it's amazing to set your eyebrows in place, and I really like it. Also, I was using this eyebrow gel from the brand Essence. You know, Essence is a very affordable brand and their products are amazing. And this product is very, very amazing too. I really like it and highly, highly recommend it. I like it. Okay, the best concealer of 2017 is this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. I like this concealer. I'm using this concealer like every single day after trying this for the first time, and this is the best. This is the best I've used ever. I really like how full coverage this is, how flawless it looks, and how affordable it is. I highly recommend this concealer, guys. Yeah, I like it. Also, I want to mention this concealer. It's again from Maybelline. I mean, Maybelline, they're doing probably the best concealers at the drugstore, and this is their Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. And yeah, I really like this one too if you want a little bit like natural finish concealer, and yeah, I like it. Also, I used a lot this concealer from IT Cosmetics. This is their Bye Bye Under Concealer. Mine is in the shade neutral medium, and I really like this concealer too. It's very full coverage, but it's not matte or drying. It's very dewy finish like concealer. It's giving you amazing coverage. Exactly, you should set with some powder, but it looks amazing. I like it. The best mascara of 2017 is this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I like this mascara. I used a lot of mascaras in 2017, but this is the best. I like it. The best lip liners are this LA Girl lip liner, which is like $3, and also I like this one from Essence Cosmetics. They both are like very similar. This one is more like the formula of this is better, and it's very creamy, very pigmented. But this one, the shade of this one is matching me better, but I like them both and I highly recommend these products, guys. The best eyeshadow palette of 2017 is this Morphe 35P eyeshadow palette. I was using this eyeshadow palette in all of my videos in 2017. I like them. I like this palette a lot. It's very pigmented. All the colors are like very like buttery and very smooth, very pigmented, and you're getting like 35 shades for $23, which is amazing. And for my brushes, I was really liking this foundation buffing brush from Real Techniques. Also, I like the Real Technique Miracle Complexion sponge to apply my foundation, to apply my concealer, and also to set my under eyes with translucent powder. I'm using again this this sponge. Also, I like this setting brush to apply my highlighter. This is again from Real Techniques. Okay guys, this is the best highlighter of 2017. I was using this highlighter from Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati like a lot in 2017. Almost in every single video or picture I was using this highlighter because it looks amazing. Like, it's very intense and it looks very beautiful. I really like it, guys, and I highly recommend. This is $26 and I think it's worth it, guys, because you're getting a lot of product and this is amazing. Also, guys, I was using this Maybelline eyeshadow in the shade The Glow Down as my highlighter, which is amazing. I use this product a lot. You can check, you can see my videos. And yeah, I really like this product and I highly recommend it. It's like $3 and I like it. This is one of the most amazing highlighters at the drugstore. This is from Essence. This is their Pure Nude highlighter. I really like this highlighter for every day. Like, if you want something very soft, if you're wearing only natural makeup, and if you have like medium skin tone, this highlighter is amazing and it looks very beautiful. It's not chunky, it's not glittery, it's very soft. It's a very soft and beautiful highlighter, and it's like only $3. And I really like this highlighter and I highly recommend it, guys. As you probably already know, I used this lipstick a lot in 2017. This is the Milani lipstick in the shade Plum Rose. I'm wearing this almost in every single video and I really like the formula of this lipstick. I really like the pigmentation. It's very pigmented, it's very long wearing, it's very comfortable, and I really like it. It's only $5 and I highly recommend this lipstick, guys. I like it. Guys, now I want to mention my favorite skincare products. This is one of the most amazing moisturizers, natural moisturizer from the brand Honest Beauty, and I really like how lightweight this is, but it's in the same time your skin feels very moisturized, and this is very comfortable. This is a very amazing skincare product, and I'm using this product every single day. Okay, my next favorite skincare product is this Acure facial scrub. This is a really amazing product. All the ingredients are natural and you can really see the difference after using this product. Your skin looks even, your skin color looks even, your pores are minimized, and it feels amazing. I almost used up this product already. This is one of the most amazing, game-changing skincare products I've used ever. So if you still didn't use this product, you should. It's only $7 and this is amazing. This facial oil from Josie Maran is one of the best amazing facial oils I've used ever. This is my favorite facial oil ever because it's very lightweight, you can't feel it, but it works. It's 100% pure argan oil. I'm using the light one, and this is very amazing, especially if you have oily skin. It's very lightweight, and I really like this product, and I highly recommend this product, guys. This facial mask from Michael Todd is my favorite for 20 and 17 because I was reaching for this face mask like a lot because it's very moisturizing. This is the avocado and mango moisturizing facial mask, and I really like how this product works, and it's very moisturizing, it smells amazing, and it's all natural. It's like $23, but you're getting a lot of products, and all the Michael Todd products, guys, are natural, and I really like it, and I highly recommend this product, guys. Okay, this product is amazing. I'm obsessed with this Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm using this as my skincare. I'm using this to set my face. It smells amazing, it's very calming, and I'm enjoying this product, and I highly recommend this product, guys. I love it. Also, when I feel my skin is very dry, I'm using this. It's not very lightweight, but it works amazingly. You can feel the difference after one day even. If you have pigmentation or hyperpigmentation, this product is amazing and it makes your skin color even, and I really like this product, and I highly recommend this product to you guys. I like it. Okay, for my lips I was using this EOS lip balm. I really like this product. I was using this product a lot. It's very moisturizing, it smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and I really like it, and it's like very affordable. It's like $3 and all natural, all organic, and this is amazing. I like it. This lip balm from Burt's Bees was my favorite lip balm. I was using this lip balm for like every day. I'm obsessed with this lip balm. This is the best lip balm I've used ever. This is the Burt's Bees Mango Lip Balm. This is like $3 and it's very affordable, it's natural, and I really like it. It's very moisturizing, it's amazing, I like it, I highly recommend it, and yeah, I like it. And yes, guys, these were all the favorite products of 20 and 17. I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye!